Okay. So we are going to discuss chapter 14, numerical question and 5 problems. These 5 problems we are going to discuss today. The most important thing from this chapter, all questions are direct. Okay. So please don't worry about the questions from chapter number 14. It will be very easy. The only important thing, you have to read the question very carefully and you have to write the information what is given. Clear, brother? Clear?
Clear, doctor.
Okay. Let's we
Yes,
start the
clear.
first question. What is given in the first question? Read the question very carefully and try to bring the picture, the diagram in front of you. Then only you can easily understand. Two streams merge to form the river. That means I have two streams. What are the two streams? Two streams is it's a water, water flowing streams. I have two streams. So this is my first stream. This is my second stream. And these two streams form a river. Okay, these two streams form a river. That means this is my stream 1, this is my stream 2, and this is the river. Okay, that means the water will be flowing here. Am I right? Am I right or not?
Yes.
Okay, now one stream has the width of 8.2 meters. So what is the width of the first stream? The width of the first stream is given as 8.2 meter and its depth is given. How much depth it have? 3.4 meter. And the water flowing through the stream has the speed. What is the speed? V1 speed, which is nothing but 2.3 meter per second. The other stream has the width of 6.8 meters. So what is the width of the second stream? The width of the second stream is 6.8 meter and its depth is given as 3.2 meter. And how much water speed? The speed of the second stream is 2.6 meters per second. If the river has a width of 10.5 meter and the depth of 4.5 meters, so the river, what is the width of the river? The width of the river is 10.5 meter and its depth is given as 4.5 meter. Now we have to find what should be the speed of the river. So we don't know the value. Am I right? Am I right or not?
Yes.
Teacher, you are right.
So if you want to, yes, brother.
Yes.
Okay, so if you want to find the answer for this, I have to use the equation of continuity. Am I right? We already studied the equation of continuity. What is our equation of continuity? A1 V1, which is equal to A2 V2. Am I right? This is the condition we already studied in the theory. Am I right, brother?
Yes, doctor.
Yes, you are right, teacher.
Now, based on this diagram, I have to write the equation of continuity. What is our first stream? My first stream has A1, that means area. The first stream has speed. Am I right? Likewise, my second stream has its area and the second stream has the speed V2, which is equal to my third is nothing but of my river, which is equal to A multiplied by V. Am I right?
Yes, teacher.
Am I right? So we are going to find what should be the value of this V. Could you please rearrange this equation? If you rearrange, what you will get? My V, which is equal to A1 V1 plus A2 V2 over A. Am I right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
So how to find the area of the first stream? If you want to multiply this width with the depth, you will get the area. Am I right? So my area 1, which is nothing but width multiplied by my depth. My width is 8.2 meter multiplied by 3.4 meter gives you 27.88 meters square. Am I right? Likewise, my second stream area width multiplied by depth is nothing but 6.8 multiplied by 3.2, which gives you the answer of 21.76 meters square. Likewise, my area of the river, which is equal to width my depth, which is equal to 10.5 5 multiplied by 4.5, which gives you the answer of 47.25. Am I right? 47.25 meters square. Now you can
Yes,
see
teacher.
I'm going to substitute the value here. Therefore, my speed of the river, which is equal to my area of the first stream. So what is my area of the first stream? 27.88 multiplied by my speed of the first stream. What is my speed of the first stream? It is 2.3 plus my area of the second stream is 21.76 multiplied by my speed of the second stream
2.6.
is 2.6 divided by my area of the river is 47.25. When you just work out with your calculator, you will get the answer of 2.55 meter per second. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
So this is the
Yes, teacher.
speed
Clear.
of the water in the river. It's very easiest question, but the most important thing, you have to write the equation of continuity for the given diagram. Diagram is not given because I draw the diagram based on the information which is given in the question. Am I right?
Yes.
So please do it very carefully. While you just solve the problems, you have to be very, very careful. Okay. So the answer is given here. Please work out. Clear?
Clear.
Let's become for second question. Second question. A boat floating in the fresh water displays water weighing 35.6 kilonewton. My dear brother, you have the boat. You just put the boat in the water. That means fresh water. And when you just put the boat inside the water, what will happen? In the water, what will happen? It will float. Am I right? And by the time when you just put the float in the water, what happened? The boat displays some weight of water. So what is the weight of the water here? What is my weight of the water here?
55.6.
Weight of the water, which is equal to 35.6 kilonewton. Am I right?
Right.
So if this is the weight of the water, then what is the weight of the boat?
The same that 55.
It will be exactly same value of this 35.6 because we already studied in Archimedes principle. So weight of the object, which is equal to the weight of the water displaced. Am I right?
Right.
So weight of the boat is exactly the same like 35.6 multiplied by 10 to the power of Newton. So that information is the answer for the first question. What should be the weight of the boat in the water? So weight of the boat inside the salt water, which is equal to weight of the boat inside the fresh water, which is equal to weight of the boat. Am I right or not?
Right.
Yes,
Weight of the
teacher.
boat, weight of the water, weight of the fresh water, weight of fresh water, which is equal to weight of the boat, which is equal to weight of the salt water. Am I right? Am I right or not?
Yes, teacher.
Right.
You are right.
Okay. Now let's become for the second question. So this will be the answer for the first question because what is the weight of the object? The weight of the object is nothing but the weight of the water displaced. So this will be the answer, direct answer. Clear?
Clear.
Second question. What you are going to find in the second question? We are going to find the difference in volume of fresh water displaced and the salt water displaced. So you are going to find the change in volume. What is our change in volume? Volume of the fresh water minus volume of the salt water. Am I right?
Right.
So first of all, I'm going to find what should be the volume for the fresh water, what should be the volume for the salt water. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to find volume of the fresh water. Brother, what is the formula for density? My formula for density is rho, which is equal to mass over volume. Am I right?
M over. Yes.
Am I right? So okay.
Right.
Therefore, okay, I can just keep like therefore my V, which is equal to mass over rho. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
Yes,
What
you
is
are
the
right.
formula for weight? What is the formula for weight? Weight is equal to mass multiplied by gravity. Am I right?
Right. So
Yes.
Therefore my mass is equal to weight over gravity. Am I right?
right.
Yes.
So I can replace this mass with this equation. Is it possible or not?
Yes, you can.
So I
Yes.
can just write my volume in fresh water, which is equal to weight divided by rho of fresh water multiplied by gravity. Am I right?
Yes.
So what is the weight of the boat?
Yes.
The weight of the boat, just before we find, the weight of the boat is 35.6 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 divided by, brother, this is the constant value. The density of the fresh water is 1000 multiplied by, it's a constant value. So don't worry about this constant value, okay? And the G value is 9.8. When you just multiply these, what you will get? You will get the value of the fresh water as 3.63 meter cube. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Likewise,
teacher.
I'm going to find the weight of the. I'm going to find the volume of the salt water. What is the formula for volume of the salt water? Same formula. Am I right? Volume of the salt water is also the same formula, but I have to replace this F with salt. So the volume of the salt water, which is equal to weight of the boat divided by the density of the salt water multiplied by its gravity. Am I right?
Right.
So my weight of the boat is 35.6 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 divided by my density of the salt water is given in the question. What's the value? 1.10 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 and the G value is 9.8. When you just work out with the formula, you will get the answer as 3.30 meter cube. Am I right?
Yes, you are right.
So you have both answer for volume of the fresh water and volume of the salt water. Now I'm going to substitute this value in this formula. What is our formula? Delta V, which is equal to volume of the salt water, fresh water minus volume of the salt water, which is equal to 3.63 minus 3.30, which is equal to 0.33 meter cube. Am I right? This
Yes.
is the answer for the second question. Understand?
Yes, yes, teacher.
It's very easiest question, but please do it very
Doctor.
carefully. Okay? Yes.
We put delta because he want the different, right?
Yes, difference. For the difference means, what is that meaning? Difference in volume means it is exactly delta V. Clear?
Clear, doctor.
Okay. Let's come for our third question. What is given in the third question? Brother, listen carefully. Third question is also related with your equation of continuity. A garden hose with an internal diameter. Brother, what is the hose? Have you ever heard this word hose?
Yes.
Hmm?
We use it every day in the garden.
Okay, I can just show you the picture.
Not the power of the engine.
You can see this picture. The question is related with this diagram. So you have the hose and there is one connector. That means this is the sprinkler. Am I right? Am I right? You have the
What?
main hose.
Yes, teacher,
This
you are
main
right.
hose is connected. The main hose is connected with the sprinklers. In the sprinklers, there are many holes. Am I right? Then only your water will be coming in all directions. Am I right or not? So please assume this diagram in your mind. So I am going to use this diagram for this question. So I have a garden hose of internal diameter. By my dear brother, I'm going to draw the diagram. My garden hose, this is my garden hose. It has some internal diameter. The diameter means it is circle in shape. Am I right? Am I right or not?
Yes, teacher, you are right.
Right, right.
So
Yes.
the diameter, I can just write the D is the hose diameter. What is that value? 1.9 centimeter. And it is connected to the lawn sprinkler. What is meant by lawn sprinkler? The sprinkler has many holes. Just before I show you, am I right? So this hose is connected with a lawn sprinkler which has how many holes? It has 20 holes. How many holes it have?
20.
20 holes.
20
20.
holes. That means each holes, it will be like this. Okay, just think this picture in your mind. Just keep this information. So this is my main hose. It has the diameter of 1.9 centimeter, which is connected to this lawn sprinkler. How many holes you have here? I have 20 holes. Am I right? and each hole's diameter is given. What is the diameter of each hole?
0.15
Zero
centimeter.
point 15.
0.15 centimeter. That means that each hole has the diameter of 0.15 centimeter. Here you have only one hose. So what is the number of n here? Here it is 1. Am I right?
Right.
Okay. Now, if the water in the hose speed is 0.91 meter second, so what is coming here? What is coming here? What is the speed? What is the speed? 0.91 meter per second. The water is coming with the speed of 0.91 meter per second. Now, what is the speed in this hole? How much speed the water is coming in each hole? This is our question. Clear? You are going to find the speed in the hole. Clear?
Clear.
Yes.
Okay. Again, I'm going to use the equation of continuity. What is our equation of continuity? A1 V1, which is equal to A2 V2. Am I right?
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
In
teacher.
A1 V1, how many pipes are there? Only one pipe. Am I right? So I can just multiply here n, and I can just multiply n by here. Okay.
Yes, you can.
Okay, now what we are going to do? We are going to find the value of V2. Could you please rearrange this equation? Therefore, my V2, which is equal to N multiplied by A1 V1 over N multiplied by A2 V2. So this N carries the value of 1 and this N carries the value of 20. Am I right?
Right.
Okay, now substitute the value. N 1 multiplied by, how to find the area? Just before I told you the diameter of the pipe is given in both left hand side and the right hand side, so it is like a area of the circle pi r square. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes,
or not?
teacher.
What is, brother, this pipe diameter is given, so if the diameter is given means it's like a circle in shape. Am I right?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right.
So you have the area of the circle pi r square. This is the formula you already studied in mathematics. Area of the circle is pi r square. Am I right? So in this place of A1 and A2, I am going to use this formula. So if you use, what you will get, brother? Pi r1 square multiplied by E1 divided by my n value is 20 pi r2 square. That's it. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, how to find R1? I can find R1 by dividing this D. Am I right? Therefore, my R1, which is nothing but capital D over 2, my R2 is nothing but small d over 2. What is my capital D here? 1.9 divided by 2. And what is my small d? My small d is 0.15 divided by 2. Am I right?
Right.
So, brother, if you just divide by 2, what you will get? This becomes 0.95. This becomes 0.075 centimeter. Here also it's centimeter. Am I right?
Right.
So I am going to substitute the value. So what you will get? My V2, which is equal to 1 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by my R1 value 0.95 square multiplied by my speed of the water in the first hose is 0.91 divided by my n value is 20 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by my R2 value is 0.075 square. That's it. When you just work out with the calculator, your V2 value is 7.30 meter per second. That's it. Is it clear?
Doctor,
Yes.
from where we got divide D over 2?
My dear, have you studied mathematics? Have you studied mathematics? How to find the radius? The radius should find from the diameter. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
That's what I just write here. R1, which is equal to. So this side, my radius is 0.95, and this side, my radius is 0.075. Clear?
But I got confused about the equation you write here.
This equations we already studied here.
No. You said here. 1 minute. Not this, doctors. I mean,
Which equation?
could you go
Which
please,
equation?
to the slide?
Which equation?
This on the left, the first one up, which
This
you
one?
make a circle. No,
This
left,
one?
left, doctor.
By R
Left.
square.
You mean pi r square?
By R square. Why you write?
My dear, what is the cross-sectional structure of this wire? This hose.
By
Because
R.
diameter given means it is like a circle in shape. Am I right?
Doctors, in the exam, how do I know it's circle or not? They don't
My dear,
mention.
diameter given. My dear, if you have the circle, then only you have the diameter.
Oh yeah, yes. Okay.
Why you are asking this question? I thought, Mr. Abdullah, you are a genius guy, but you should not ask this type of small question. No, I'm not feel good.
Sorry.
If circle means only diameter will be applicable.
Oh,
Are you
I
going to
forget.
use that?
Yeah.
Are you going to use the diameter in any other shape? Is it possible?
No.
Then why you are asking this question? Now we are in
Doctor,
now we are in chapter 14. You should not ask this question. I thought you are a genius guy, but you are asking this type of very small question, very easiest question.
Sorry,
Clear?
doctor.
So diameter means its shape is circle in shape. Okay.
Okay.
Doctor.
Keep this in mind. Yes.
what about the rule in A1V1? It is in a slide.
Yes, it is in the slide. Just before I told you, I show you. This is the formula. A1V2 which is equal to A2V2. A1V1 which is equal to A2V2. But here you have one hose here. But how many holes you have here? 20 holes here. Am I right? Based on the question.
Yes.
So I just put N here as well as here. Both are same.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear, doctor.
Okay. So this will be the answer. Please take a practice. This is very important. Clear? Okay. Now, this is our fourth question. It's exactly same like your Pascal law. You can just see the picture. I can show you the picture from the theory. The picture is exactly same like this. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
You can
Yes.
see this.
Yes,
You
teacher,
can
you
see
are
this
right.
picture. You can see this picture, and also you can see this picture. It's exactly both are same. Am I right?
Right.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
now
right.
let's read what is given in the question. A piston of cross-sectional area A is used in the hydraulic press to exert the small force of magnitude F. That means they are talking. Okay, I can just put this is my first pipe, this is my second area. Okay, so in first area I have a piston. So this is my piston. So this is my piston. What is the piston's cross area? The piston cross area is small a. And how much force you are applying in the first piston? Small a. Am I right?
Yes.
And this is connecting with the pipe to the second piston, and it has the area capital A and it has the force capital F. Clear?
Clear.
Now, what you are going to find in the first question, what magnitude of this capital F will have the larger piston sustained without moving? If it is not moving, this is nothing but equilibrium condition. Am I right?
Yes,
Am
teacher.
I right? What is the equilibrium condition? What is our equilibrium condition? Go back to your theory slide. What is your equilibrium condition? This is our equilibrium condition. Am I right?
Right.
Yes, you're right.
So I'm going to use this equilibrium condition for this picture. My dear, listen carefully. My equilibrium condition in this place, what is my pressure? In this place, what is my pressure? So in the left hand side, section 1, my pressure is small f over A. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
Right.
My right hand side, my pressure is capital F over A. This is the condition for equilibrium. Am I right?
Yes, you're
Right.
right.
But what they need, you have to rearrange this equation in terms of F. So keep this F here, move the remaining terms to the left. So what you will get? So you will get the answer for the first question. So I'm going to keep F here. I'm going to move this A to the left hand side of the numerator. So what you will get? F multiplied by A over A. Am I right?
Right.
Yes, you're right.
This is the answer for the first question. That's it. Because it's a theory question. Clear?
Clear.
Clear.
Is there any value given for the first question? No, just only theory question. Am I right?
Yeah, it's easy.
Okay, let's we come for the second question. Second questions, they have some values. They have some value. Please listen carefully, my dear. It's very easy. I can just erase everything. I can rewrite again. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
here we should put the value, right, to find the answer for.
Second question. Second question only you are going to substitute the value.
Why he
Okay.
mentioned what's the force magnitude? We should
Is
write.
there any value? My dear, listen first. First of all, read the question. This is your question. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
Is there any values given in this question?
No.
So you have to leave the equation as it is. That's it. They need the equation for the capital F. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's we come for the second question. What is given in the second question? If the piston's diameter are 3.5 centimeter and 60 centimeter. Brother, you have the first section and the second section. Which section is smaller? Which section is greater?
One small, two great.
So the first section diameter is given. What is its value? So my D1 value is given as 3.5 centimeter and my second section diameter is given as D2, which is 60 centimeter. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
And then how much force is applied on the large force? So we are going to find the value of F, but how much force you are applying for the small f? 20 Newton you are applying here. How much force you are applying here?
20.
20.
20. So I can use the equation. I can use this equation to find the value of capital F. Am I right? So for my second question,
Yes,
I can
you're right.
write F, which is equal to small f multiplied by A over small a. And again, they just give the information about the diameter. So its cross-section area is circle. Am I right? So again, I have to use this formula. Understand?
Yes.
Yes, I understand.
Yes.
So now, what is the value of small f? 20 Newton. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
What is my area? My area is pi. That means A values here. Am I right? So pi R2 square. Am I right? Divided by pi R1 square. Am I right? So now I'm going to
Yes, you're
substitute
right.
the value 20. Pi value is 3.14 multiplied by R2. What is your R2? 60 divided by 2. So my R2 is nothing but D2 over 2.
0.03.
My R1 is nothing but D1 over 2. So what is my D2? My D2 is 60 over 2 square. Am I right?
Doctor,
Divided by, yeah.
why we don't convert?
My dear, what? Listen. We are going to find the force. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
Even if you convert to centimeter to meter, you will get the same answer. Because centimeter get cancelled with centimeter, meter get cancelled with meter. So why you are wasting the time?
Yes, of course.
So no need to convert here because your centimeter or meter both get cancel each other. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
So I can just directly write the equation in terms of centimeter because centimeter will get cancelled with the centimeter. So in the denominator, I have R1 square. What is my R1 square? 3.5 divided by 2 the whole square. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, you're right.
So your answer will, when you're just working with your calculator, your answer on the right hand side piston is 5.88 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 Newton. Clear?
Clear.
Clear.
This is a very important question, and this is your question from Pascal principle, Pascal law, or Pascal principle. Clear?
Clear. Easy question.
Okay. It's an easy question. Sometimes the students, they will make a mistake in the calculation. So do it very carefully, my dear.
Inshallah.
Okay. This is the last question of this chapter. My dear brother, in this question, we are going to use two principles. The first principle is equation of the continuity. For the second question, I'm going to use the principle of Bernoulli's. Okay. So better we can read the question and please draw the diagram because diagram is not given. When you just know the diagram, you will easily understand. Okay. Brother, listen carefully. The water pipe having 2.5 centimeter inside diameter carries water into the basement. That means you can just see this is my basement. You can consider this is my basement. Okay. And in this basement, I have the pipe. I have a pipe. So this is my basement pipe. I have this is my basement. Okay. In this basement, I have a pipe. And what is its diameter? What is its diameter? The diameter of this pipe is, what is the diameter, brother?
2.5.
2.5.
My diameter of this pipe is 2.5 centimeter. Am I right? And
Yes,
it
you are
carries the
right.
water. What is the speed of the water here? My speed of the water in the first pipe is 0.9 meter per second. Clear? And what is the pressure in this pipe? The pressure in this pipe is clearly given in the question, which is nothing but 190 kilopascal. That means 190 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 Pascal. Clear?
Clear.
Clear.
Okay. Now, in the
Because
second
of
part of the
scale.
question, it's given in the question. You can see it is given in the question. Now, if the pipe tapers to 1.2 centimeter, what is the meaning for taper? That means the size of the pipe is decreasing. The diameter is going to decrease. That's the meaning for taper. Okay, keep this information in your mind. If the pipe tapers to 1.2 centimeter and rise to the second floor of 7.6 meter above from the input point, brother, your pipe is rising to how much height it is going? How much height is going to rise?
7.6.
That means this is my second floor. So in this place, this is my H2. Am I right? What is that value? 7.6 meter. Now, what is this diameter? Because they clearly mentioned your pipe is tapering. That means my D2 value is 1.2 centimeter. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now, brother, what is the height of this pipe? What is the height of this pipe?
7.6.
My dear,
Zero.
H2 is 7.6. What is this height?
0.
What is the height? What is the height of this pipe? It's 0. Am I right? Because it's exactly
Yes,
on the
right.
basement. Clear? Okay. Now, by using these things, we are going to find what is the speed of the water in the second floor. That means the water is coming like this. Am I right? The water will be going like this. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
Right.
Now we have to find what should be the speed here and also what should be the pressure here. We are going to calculate. Understand?
Yes.
Understand.
Okay, first I'm going to
Yes,
find the answer for the first question by using the equation of the continuity. Brother, listen carefully. What is your equation of continuity? A1 V1, which is equal to A2 V2.
V2.
Am I right? We are going to find the value of V2. Therefore, my V2, which is equal to A1 V1 over A2. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
Yes.
So what is your A1? Again, the diameter is given. It is area of the circle. Am I right?
Pi r square.
So I can write pi r1 square multiplied by v1 divided by pi r2 square. Am I right? So what is your r1? My r1 is d1 over 2. My r2 is d2 over 2. Am I right?
Yes.
So substitute the value. What is your value here? 3.14 multiplied by my r1 2.5 divided by 2 the whole square. Am I right?
Yes.
Multiply by my v1 is 0.9 divided by 3.14 multiply by my d2 is 1.2 divided by 2 the whole square. So when you just work out with this rule, you will get the answer of v2 as what should be the value? When you are just using your calculator, you will get 3.91 meter per second. Clear? This is the answer for the first question. Understand?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now we are going to find the answer for the second question. That means pressure. Am I right? Brother, for finding the pressure, I am going to use the Bernoulli's equation. I'm going to use the Bernoulli's equation.
No.
What is our Bernoulli's equation? Just have you have a look. This is our Bernoulli's equation. Am I right? This is our Bernoulli's equation. This is for this pipe. This is for this pipe. And this is for this pipe. Am I right?
Right.
So in our question, how many pipes we have? Only 2 sections. Am I right?
Right.
So I am going to take only these 2. Understand?
Yes.
Clear?
Clear.
Okay, so I can just write my Bernoulli's equation here. P1 plus rho g h1 plus half rho v1 square, which is equal to P2 plus rho g h2 plus half rho v2 square. Am I right?
Right.
Am I right? Okay, now what is the value of h1 here? What is the value of h1 here?
0.
What is the value of h2 here?
7.6.
Okay, okay. What is the speed of the first pipe? The speed of the pipe is 0.9. Am I right?
Right.
Yes.
What is the speed of the second? What is the speed of the second pipe? 3.91. We got from the first question. Am I right? Okay. Now, if you multiply the h1 with 0, this term will go on. Am I right?
Yes.
Now we are going to find the value of P2. Could you please take these two to the left hand side? When you take these two terms to the left hand side, that sign becomes
Minus.
negative. Am I right?
Yes.
So I will get P2, which is equal to P1 minus rho g h2, and here we have one plus symbol, so plus half rho v1 square, and this will move to the left hand side. It becomes minus half rho v2 square. Am I right?
Right.
So
Yes.
I can just write my P1 minus rho g h2, and here I can take half rho outside because both term has half rho. Am I right? So if I take it outside, this becomes v1 square minus v2 square. Am I right?
Yes.
Right.
So now you can see the question. Pressure 1 is given in the question, and we are using the water. This is the constant value of the water. What is your rho of the water? My rho of water is nothing but 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Am I right? So this value will be given. So don't worry. Okay.
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 What is the value of G? 9.8. What is the value of H2? 7.6. What is the value of rho? 1000. What is your value of V1? 0.91. What is your value of V2? 3.91. Once you substitute all the values in this equation, you will get the answer for pressure 2. Am I right? Which is nothing but 108.28 multiplied by 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 3 Pascal. Clear?
Clear.
Clear.
That's it, brother. This chapter is very, very important. For sure, one question must be in this chapter. Either it may come from Pascal rule or Archimedes principle or equation of continuity or Bernoulli's equation. Understand?
Yes.
Clear?
It's clear.
So that's it. Chapter 14 is over. Inshallah, we will start our chapter number 15 by next week. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
my dear brother. Okay, my dear brother. One more important thing. Today, inshallah, I am going to enter your assignment mark. After I add your assignment 1 and assignment 2, I am going to enter that mark in the SIS. So please go and check your marks whether it is correct or not. Okay? Because I already entered the marks in your blackboard. Now you can see your assignment 1 mark as well as assignment 2 mark. Am I right?
Yes, you're right. Doctor, I have a question.
What question?
I got 9.5 out of 10.
Out of which assignment? Which assignment? First assignment or second
assignment
assignment?
Second assignment.
Your
I
section
don't
is
know
106.
what's my mistake. Huh?
You know where I reduce the mark? I reduce your mark only in question number. What's your number? 677. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
I reduce the mark in question number 3B.
3B?
Yes.
Why, doctors? 1 minute, I will check.
Just
3B.
my dear, the remaining students, I think I already finished. If you want to have, if you have any question, you may ask, because chapter is over. Inshallah, we will discuss the remaining chapter number 15 by next week. Now, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Assignment 2.
And me,
the
doctor,
section is-
the assignment 2, I get 4.88.
Wait. I will just show you one by one. This is your paper. Am I right?
Yes, 6 semester.
I think better I can stop my video first. This is I can stop my video.